Hello everyone, it's me Gagan Kumar present over here to teach you physics. Let's move on to the video. Today we'll be discussing NEET and JEE MCQ on vectors. Here question number 1 telling find the linear velocity. Linear velocity symbol is what? V vector. Find linear velocity and vector what given? R vector given. R vector is called basically position vector. And the omega vector, omega vector is called basically angular velocity vector. So position vector and angular velocity vector given, and they are asking what is your linear velocity. So you need to find this one in vector form. Now listen, what is the formula for this? Now here V vector is nothing but that is omega vector cross R vector. Omega cross R. Remember always V vector is not R cross omega, it is omega cross R. Then after here, if component form given omega and r, then what to do? Now this component you see Cartesian coordinate component ijk is called Cartesian coordinate. In x-axis you have positive x-axis you have I cap plus I cap, and j cap stands for unity vector along positive y, k cap stands for unity vector along positive z. So first you write what? If a component form given, you write I, j, k like this in a determinant format. Now here omega is what? Omega is 5 minus 6 plus 6. So take here coefficients you take. I cap coefficient is 5, for omega you put 5, j cap coefficient is minus 6, put minus 6, here it is k cap coefficient is plus 6, put plus 6. And why you are taking omega first? Because when cross product you do, you see this is first omega coming, then after r vector. So that's why here this row should be filled by omega. Then second you have to go for r. So what is r given? R is 3 minus 4 and 1. So this coefficients you take I cap, j cap and k cap coefficients. Now do the calculation here. What is the calculation here you do? Now when you will calculate this determinant, first you have to take I cap. When I cap you will take, that time you have to close this row and this column. Similarly when you will calculate about j cap, you have to close this total row and this total column. And when you calculate k cap, similarly you have to close this row and this column. Then after whatever numbers will be there, you have to multiply. First you see I am telling. Now when I will calculate I, I have to close this column also, this row also. So what is the number remaining? These numbers. Now I have to multiply. I have to write first I closed I. So I minus 6 multiply like this, minus 6, then minus how much? Multiply this 2, it will be minus 24. Now keep a bracket. First you multiplied this and this, then you are putting a minus, then after you are multiplying this and this. Understand? Now go for similarly j cap. When you take, you take a minus j cap. Now similarly do what you do, if you minus j cap and you close this row and column, now remaining is this. Now you write 5, then give a minus, then multiply these 2. How much it is? It is minus 18. So write it down. Now here similarly for k cap if you will go, you put a plus k cap, then after multiply these 2, it is minus 20, and here minus of this one you have to multiply, so minus of minus 18. Now calculate here. Now here you see, here it is coming minus 6 plus 24, which is 18 I cap, and here it is minus 13 and another minus is there, so which is plus 13 j cap, and here minus 20 plus 18, which is minus 2 k cap. So now check. So this is your nothing but velocity vector. Now check with options. I think here 18 only one word there, so you can write this one. Okay. Or one more thing also you can do here, easy way. What you can do, you see in the options there are 4, 18, 6, 6 like this, option I is there. First if you are calculating I, from I if you are confirming it is 18 coming, then no need to calculate about j and k. So immediately you can put the answer as B. Okay. But here I calculated, so no issues. Now go to the next one. So your answer will be B. Now find the torque about the origin when a force 3j cap, actually it is a vector, So it is basically given force vector, you can tell, that is 3j cap. Acts on a particle whose position vector is given 2k. So r vector is nothing but position vector which is 2k. Now here it is given in meter, that is given Newton. Now they are asking what? They are asking the torque. So what is the torque formula? Now remember, torque is nothing but that is r cross f. R cross f. Torque is nothing but position vector cross f vector, force vector. Now here I will not find, it is given also component wise, but you see here only ij like that given, ijk like jk like that it is given. So here I will not do determinant format, normal I will do. R vector I will take here how much it is 2k cap cross f vector I will take as 3j cap. Now here 2 into 3 how much will come 6, that will come as k cross j. Now what is k cross j? Now remember k cross j is nothing but that is minus I. So here this is in meter, this is in Newton, so whatever answer will come minus 6I Newton into meter. And this is nothing but torque vector, that is tau vector. Okay, now you will check option here, so answer is matching with D. Now here no need to calculate the determinant and all, because here one component given, it is easy to multiply. And one method also I am telling here, just remember. So here I, j, k. Here suppose I, j, k. Now here if you are going clockwise, I cross j, what will get? You will get as k. If you are going j cross k, so j cross k, what will get? You will get as I. If j cross k you are doing, you will get I. Now similarly if you will do k cross I, then you will get j. So you will get k cross I, you will get as how much j. That means if you are going clockwise, here everything is coming in positive way. Now here suppose I will go anti-clockwise, suppose I will do j cross I. If I will do j cross I will get how much? Minus k. I will get minus k. And if I will do I cross k, or go here this way you go, I cross k, then I will get how much? Minus j. And if I will do k cross j, then I will get minus I. So this one you understand. So this one you need to remember. So here when cross product is given, one component is given, it is easy to multiply like this, no need to find determinant. Okay. Now come to the next question. Now here the moment of force, remember torque is also called as what? Torque is also called as moment of force. That means they are asking here torque of a vector. Force vector is how much given? F vector is this much, and at point given and about point given. Now listen, try to understand. They are asking basically torque we need to find, but torque is what? Basically R cross F. We need to find out what is R and what is F. F already given, but for R they have given some points. Then after some options they are asking to find the torque. Now listen here. Here I am telling a small concept. Now suppose this is your some about point you take here. This is a point is there, and here also one point is there. Now suppose force is acting here, suppose. Okay, in this any way force can act. This is the force acting F. Now this force, this point is called basically at point. And about this, what you are finding? About this you are finding torque. So this will be your about point. Remember always what I am telling. A point is there where force is acting, that is called at point. But another point is there. It is no need to be origin always. It can be any point. About that you need to find the torque. That means about this point, this at point is revolving. Okay, making a rotational motion or whatever, circular motion. So that's why always remember from about to at point you make a vector. Now this will be what? This will be R vector. This will be R vector. So what is the at point? At point is nothing but 2, 0, minus 3. What is about point? 2, minus 2, minus 2. Okay. Now if R vector you want to find, you see this is a vector. So it is your head, it is your tail. And R vector if you want to find, then what to do? Now R vector if you need to find, then you need to go for what? Now head minus tail. Remember this? R vector if you want to find means what you do? Head coordinates minus tail coordinate you do. Just writing for normally head tail. Now here what is this head? Now 2 minus 2 minus 2. You see this is your x coordinate basically. This is your x coordinates. So here vector wise you will write someone I cap will come. So 2 minus 2 I cap, then minus plus you write plus this and this you subtract 0 minus of minus 2 j cap, then write plus minus 3 minus 2 is there, so write minus 3 minus of minus 2 k cap. Now see here it is 0 I cap, it is plus 2 j cap, it is here how much? Minus 3 plus 2, that is usually minus 1, so minus k cap. So this is your what? Position vector. R vector you find. If 2 points are given, this is the way to find position vector, or you can tell also here it is x2, x2, y2, z2. This one you can tell as x1, y1, z1. Then after how to find this position vector? Now you can go for this position vector is nothing but okay x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. Okay, always remember, that's why I am telling head to tail you have to do, head to tail minus always do. Okay, so x2 x1 you can give, otherwise you can do this way also, no issues. Okay, now see R vector you got and F vector already given here, F vector already given here. Let me write here F vector, that is how much? 4 I cap plus 5 j cap minus 6 k cap. Now what we need to do? Now we need to find the torque. We need to find the torque. Now for torque what I will do? Now torque is nothing but that is R cross F, or I can write in a determinant format I, J, K. Now see first R is there. First R is there, so first R coefficient I will take. So I coefficient of R is 0, J coefficient of R is 2, then minus 1. For this one it will come, for F it will come 4, 5, minus 6. Now multiply here. Now here I cap. So multiply 2 and minus 6, it is minus 12. Then it is minus minus plus 5. Okay, I am writing directly, you do yourself. Now here minus j, if you will do then this and this will multiply, that is 0, and this multiplication will give minus 4, but again one minus will be there, so it will become plus 4. Then plus k cap, then if you want to write here it is 0 and here it is minus 8. So I write 0 minus 8. Okay, now here if I will see this, so here it is coming how much? Minus 7i minus 4j and minus 8k, minus 8k. Now check your option. So here minus 7i minus 4j minus 8k, because others are not matching definitely. So your answer will be D. Answer will be D. I hope everybody understand. Simple thing. So if a 2 point is given, one is at point, you see. Focus on this one is at point, one is about point. So always R vector when you find from these points, always do what? Always you do at minus about. Okay, here also another formula I am writing, or write here at minus about point, at minus about point, or head minus tail, that type of things also you can do. And when I coefficient subtracting, you have to keep unity vector I cap. Okay, when x coordinate you are subtracting, you have to keep unity vector I cap. When subtracting y coordinate, you have to keep j cap. When subtracting z coordinate, you have to keep k cap. I hope you understand. Okay. Now come to question number 4. Here they are telling a force F. So this vector is given. How much? Now this is the vector is given a I cap plus 3 j cap plus 6 k cap is acting at a point. R vector is given. How much R vector? R vector is 2i minus 6j plus 12k. Now they are asking what? The value of A for which angular momentum about origin is conserved. Okay, they are telling what? Angular momentum is conserved. What is angular momentum? Angular momentum is nothing but that is L vector, which is constant, which is constant. So when L vector becomes constant, when torque acting on particle, net torque acting on the particle is 0, then what happens? Now angular momentum constant. Okay, because you know torque is nothing but that is dl by dt. Okay, if L torque is 0, then L will become constant. Okay, so this formula you know. Now here torque, net torque is 0, but here you see torque is not given directly, they have given R and F. Now multiply here, similar formula, torque equal to how much? Now vector product will be there, that is R cross F, and if R and F is given in vector format, then you can calculate determinant wise. Now here you see, I can write here it is I, here it is J, here it is K. What is R? R is nothing but 2 minus 6 minus 12, and F I will write it is A 3 6. And always you know, if first R is there, this row I have to fill with R coefficients like I coefficient, J coefficient and K coefficients. Next F, that's why last row is F. Now here what will do? Now here I, J, K will be always there, first row. Okay, here directly I will find K cap. Why I will find K cap? Now because I need the value of A and the left hand side is 0 because net torque is 0. I can find Ij also, but I am interested to find K because I need to find the value of A. So that's why if K cap I need to find, what is the K? K will be nothing but 3 into 2 6, then minus of minus 6A, minus of minus 6A. And here also you are having I, and I something is there here, and minus J something is here there. Okay, I am not interested in I coefficients and J coefficients. Okay, because if I coefficient I will calculate, I will not get about A. If J I will calculate, I can get about A, but I am calculating with K. Now listen here. So here it is coming how much? K cap equal to 6 plus 6A, that is equal to 0. You see, K cap cannot be 0, it is a unity vector. So definitely this coefficient should be 0. So if I will substitute from here, what I will substitute? I will 6 plus 6A equal to 0, and from here how much I will get? I will get A equal to nothing but minus 6 by 6, which is minus 1. So I will get how much? Minus 1. So what is your answer here? Check here, A value is nothing but minus 1, for which this angular momentum about origin. And here see here, we did not do about origin they are asking, so that's why we did not find that position vector like x2, x1 we did not do, because directly we take origin means 0, 0, 0. So the R vector about origin same R vector, this R vector will be same about origin also, so no need to calculate that. Okay, now come to the next question. Now here find the torque of a force vector F acting on the Poisson vector this much. Simple formula, similar type again. So you want to find torque, how much it is? R cross F. R cross F. Now here similar we will do I, J, K. Now check here what is R. So R is nothing but 7, 3, 1. So substitute here 7, 3, 1. First you have to take R, then F take minus 3, 1 plus 5. Now here I cap into, okay. So here this is your row, you have to close this row and this column. Now it is how much coming? 15. Okay, this is 1 here, 1 here. Now 15 minus 1. Now again do minus J. Minus J will do 7 into 5, 35. 35 plus 3 will come, because this will become minus 3, another minus will be there. So that's why plus 3 I am writing. Then plus K will do 7 into 1, 7. This is minus plus 9. So 7 plus 9. Minus plus will become 3 into 3 is 9. So 7, 9. Now here you see how much coming, it is 14I minus 38J and plus 9, 7 is 16. 16K. Now check your option. Here I think this cannot be answered, this cannot be answered. Here I think this is matching, 14I minus 38J plus 16K. Listen, once you understand how to calculate this, then immediately in one line itself you can calculate. No need to put bracket and all. First two questions I put bracket and all so that you can understand. But here you see in one bracket itself, one line itself I am writing. So always remember, if I kept calculating, you have to close the this row and this column. Then after whatever number is there, you multiply the first multiply this 3 into 5, 15, then minus 1. This multiply, minus give, then after this multiply. Similarly for J, put minus 1, minus put, then after multiply this and this. Okay, because if you close this one, this and this will close. Okay, only numbers will remaining 7 and 5, that is 35. Then minus of minus 3 into 1, which is plus 3. So it is coming how much? minus 3 into 1 actually minus 3, then after minus will be before, so it will become plus 3. So in this way you can calculate. Okay, so your answer is coming how much? Your answer is coming C option. Okay. Okay. Thank you all of you. Keep watching the video. We'll be uploading more and more video. Please like and subscribe the channel.